Hello, here to show you this OPTREK stainless steel lockback knife with sheath. Now, very impressed with this knife when I got it here. This is how it came in the package. I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you here. Very nice packaging. I've never quite seen a knife packaged like this. Kind of nice hard case. Not sure what you would use this for, but it's basically Maxim Pro Series World's Finest Knives. So this case is molded just for the knife. Got a warranty there. I don't know if you can read all that. So anyway, it's a good sturdy quality knife. Again, don't know if that's necessary, but it is kind of cool packaging. A bit wasteful, I guess. But here's the knife. This is a very, very heavy, sturdy knife. Nice, thick backing there. Easy to use locking mechanism. Nice, comfortable handle. You got this clip here, you can clip it on your belt or pocket. And then the sheath here you can put on your belt to carry your knife in. Now I can see this is a great outdoor knife, whether you use it for hunting, if you're a rope climber, hiker. Good knife to have around. You got a little bit of a serrated edge there. I went and just grabbed a twig here from outside so I can show you how sharp it is. So, very good blade, cuts very easy. Excellent for cutting rope. Easy one-hand operation there. So, some of the knives, this can be very stiff, the locking mechanism. This one is stiff enough to keep it from opening accidentally, but not too stiff where you couldn't operate it with one hand and close it, as long as you're careful of your fingers there. So, very good, handy to have on your pack or your belt when you're out and about. Good for cutting rope. Grabbed a piece of cardboard here just so you can kind of see how sharp it is. You can see it's pretty sharp. It's a pretty thick piece of cardboard there. Nice sharp point. So yeah, excellent quality knife. Very durable, sturdy, stainless steel. This should last you a long time. Get a lot of good use out of this. Easy to keep sharp there. So there you go. Good quality knife. I recommend it.